Next, Sunita types 1080 words in 1 hour. What is her GWPM, gross words per minute? She are very simple. 1 hour means 60 minutes. In 60 minutes she types 1080 words. Now we want it in 1 minute. So is it direct or inverse proportion? 60 minutes 1080 words. So 1 minute it will be more words or less? Less. So one decreases, other will also decrease. So that's why direct proportion. Right? So make it simple. So 1 into 1080 upon 60. Right? So cancel this, solve this, you will get 18. So 18 words per minute. GWPM equals to 18. Next, fill in the blanks. The perimeter of a circle and its diameter vary dash with each other, means directly or indirectly. Here perimeter means what? Circumference. Circumference formula is what? Pi into d. So C and D, you have to find out the relation. Now both are in the numerator, right? So we have studied it in earliest part of this chapter. If both are in numerator, it's direct proportion. So what? C is directly proportional to D. That's why vary directly with each other, or direct proportion. Next, if two quantities P and Q vary inversely with each other, then dash of the corresponding values remains constant. Here inversely means what? P is inversely proportional to Q. So Q is in the denominator, P is in the numerator. So that's why P equals to K upon Q. So PQ equals to K. K is what? Constant. So their product is always constant. So here answer will be product. Next, when X and Y are in indirect proportion, and if Y doubles, then X becomes, here indirect means inverse. Okay. X and Y are in. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yoguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.